Hello everybody, and welcome to English 103 from a very overcast day here in my home in New Orleans, Louisiana. I was born in Modesto and raised in the Valley like many of you, but I moved here before the pandemic and continue to live here. Listen, my job is to tell you the difference between 101 and 103 today, really. This is English 103, but it's different than just about any other writing class you've taken at the college level or even before. I'm going to start with this question. What's better, chocolate ice cream or vanilla? You see, there's no right answer, right? And this course deals with such questions. The idea is that you're going to prove your opinion. Maybe you like chocolate better and you have to prove to an audience why it's better than vanilla or other flavors. Or the reverse can be true. This course is designed to teach you the tricks, the strategies, the structures, etc. in order to make that opinion the most strong. Now there are things called ethos, pathos, and logos. They're Greek terms. I'm going to simplify them for you right now that will be found in every essay. Ethos means your facts and statistics, the way you get your credibility for your audience. You can't just give an opinion without backing it up with some academic work in this course. Your logos is the way you organize or structure your essay. It's the logic so that any reader can follow your thinking, and believe me, nobody thinks just like you. Okay? There's kind of a mathematical flow to logic. And the pathos is the emotional content. It's the least important, but it means, choosing emotionally laden words, even in your structure too, to get the most impactful message across to the reader. Now, you'll also learn about some of the tricks of argumentation in this course. They're called rhetorical devices. They go way back to the ancient Greeks, and the names are really hard to memorize. You don't have to worry about that. We're going to study some of them right now. You won't be quizzed on them. Some of them in the course of the class, I should say. And I just want you to understand that these rhetorical devices, they might be ways to use a question, ways to repeat a message, etc., ways to do a counter-argument, for instance, that just make your essay more memorable, more focused for the reader. So you're going to have essays that develop each of these skills. You're going to have one based on ethos, one based on logos, one based on pathos primarily, but you mix them all together in all of your compositions as well as with the rhetorical devices. So just remember, your opinion is really, really, really important in this course, and it's all that matters. Think about it like being a lawyer in a courtroom. You have the job of convincing 12 people sitting in a box that your client is either, innocent or guilty or whatever. But again, it's subjective, and it's the way you convey the message that might make the difference. As a teacher, I gauge the way you convey your message. If it's weakly conveyed, we have to work on it. If it's strongly conveyed, you're rewarded. But this is not 101, right? It's a big shift. In fact, if you put away everything you learned in 101 right now, you'd be better off, okay? Or anything before that. I think in education, you're taught as students to parrot information, just kind of regurgitate. Answer the 5 basic journalistic questions: where, when, how, why, what, where, whatever. Okay, did I double those? I don't know. But you get the picture. Look, you can't just explain things in this course. You've done that before. You've learned how to do it already. You've learned how to cite your sources. You learned how to give a book report. It doesn't matter anymore. Explanation is that much, part of 103. This is about you, and this is the only course in writing, and thank God, where you do you. This is about you. It is about your opinions, and my job is just to help make your opinions better. But you got to invest it with some passion. You got to invest it with some discipline. You got to try. You got to go through multiple drafts, just like anything else. This is probably the highest level and most difficult writing course that you'll take, but the difficulty is eased a lot if you can just imagine that you don't have to explain anything anymore. You just have to defend your thinking with sources, with ethos, pathos, and logos, etc. All right, I think that's enough for now. But I just want you to know I'm here for you at all times. I check my email all the time, okay? Even though I'm 2 hours ahead, it doesn't really matter to me. I'm always working. I really look forward to reading your opinions, and I hope you look forward to writing them and trying to be persuasive for your audience. So, I look forward to working with you this semester. All right? We'll work together, get it done. All right. See ya and talk to you later. Bye.